Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Fortnite skin, and this time it's gonna be the Scoundrel. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna draw his eyes first, so we're just kind of almost like two mean brow. It's actually not his brow, just kind of mask slanting downward. Okay, so from here, from these two check marks, just kind of drawing the eye. So I'm gonna make it a little bit blocky. You come straight, and then on the corner here, slant, and then just come across. Okay, and then from there I'm gonna draw in his eyeballs. Just gonna draw in a little circle. And I'm gonna try to save a little bit of highlight. A shade around it. Okay, so that's the eye, and now let's draw in the mask. So in order to draw the mask, let's draw in the side of the face first. So I'm just gonna draw a slight curve, almost like two little brackets around the eye. And then from here, here's the middle. Just gonna curve out and come down. So I'm gonna go up and come down. On the bottom here, you make a little mark. So I'm gonna come down and just kind of go up. So whatever you do on one side, just try to do it symmetrical. Okay, so that's the mask. And from here, we're gonna draw his nose, and he's got a bigger nose. So right below the eyeball area, you can come down and make two little marks. Okay, for the side of the nose, and then we can just draw in a little sharp curve. It's gonna be his nose. And then for his lip, I'm gonna make him kind of give him that smirk, right? Like we see in the game. So I'm just gonna draw a little smile like this, and then on the lower lip, I'm just gonna shade in a little bit of a, so it looks like he's got part of his mouth open. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna draw in this little mustache right here. So just kind of shade it in slightly. Kind of slants upward. Okay, so that's gonna be all his features. So to continue on with the face, this mark here, I'm just gonna come in a little bit more. Let's kind of give him his cheekbones. And then from there, I'm gonna come back up to the side here. Just kind of slant down. And he's got a skinnier face, so come down right about his mouth area. And then from there, we just kind of turn it in. So he's got a really big chin. Okay, we'll just close that off. All right, so it's a very long face. And then to continue, we're gonna go up. So we're just gonna go up slightly. And then this is gonna be the bottom of the beanie. So we're just gonna curve it around. And then now we're gonna start here on the side, around his mask area. Just gonna go up. And then now we're gonna curve this around for the bottom part of the beanie. And now from right around here, we're just gonna go straight up. I'll curve it up, taper it in, and then just kind of close it off at the top of the beanie. Okay, and then let's see, let's draw in his ear before we draw in the rest. So right around here, eye level, just draw two little curves for his ear. And then now we gotta draw his hair. So just kind of come up. I'm just gonna draw one strand like that first. And off to the side, I'm gonna draw another strand. And then I'm just gonna come across and just go out to the side. And then here, just gonna come across and go out to the side. And then lastly, for the beanie, I'm just gonna add in a couple of lines like this. Just to make it look like it's some kind of knit cap. Okay, I don't want to draw too many or it's gonna get really messy with these Sharpies. Okay, so now let's go down, and for his neck on the side here, we're just gonna come straight down. And for his collar, we're just gonna curve it around. And now for his shoulders, we're just gonna go out. come down straight, pinch it in to his waist. He's got two belts here, so we're just gonna draw one first. Come down straight, come across, and then one more section, a smaller one on the bottom. Okay, and then for finish up the belt detail, buckle, a little bit of detail, two loops, and then for the bottom one, here's the buckle. I'm gonna draw in two lines across and two loops. Okay, so pretty much the same as all the other characters. So here, let's go back up here. I'm gonna draw a little bit of detail on his collar. Just give it some thickness. And then now he's got two belts here. So right around here, just kind of slant down. And I'm just gonna give that line some thickness. So that's gonna be one belt. And on this side, I'm gonna come down as well. Okay, just give it some thickness. Okay, so now we have two belts, and let's move on to the arm. So here's the armpit. Shoulders coming down. Here's the bicep. Two brackets. Here's the elbow. Lower arm, come out, curve in, go out, curve in, close it off. Here's the glove, one section. And his fist, I'm gonna come down. That's gonna be his thumb. Here's the back of the hand, come down. Fingers gonna curl in. And he's got those open finger gloves, so I'm just gonna draw that for his thumb, and then for his other fingers, I can just draw a line like that. Okay, so his fingers are tucked in. So now let's draw the other side. So it's gonna be very similar. Shoulder, and here's the armpit. Bicep, two brackets. Here's the elbow. Again, arm. Out, curve in, close it off. One section for the glove. And then the fist again, so come down, curve in, back of the fist, fingers curling in. And then here is the open finger again for his thumb, and then for the rest of the fingers. And then on this side, he's got one strap here. Okay, and here's the little loose knot. So I'm gonna draw one and two. Okay, and then let's see, he's got one strap here for his panel. Okay, I know he has some stripes, but let's move on to his legs first. So for his legs, we're gonna come down in the middle, make a little mark, and then we're gonna continue this curve here, come down, and curve in, straight down, curve, then we're gonna close it off, and let's draw in the little knee pad here for the armor, draw a box, inside, rectangle, and then we're just gonna, from corner to corner, just go out. Okay, so same thing on this side. So we're gonna come down, continue the curve, turn in, okay, almost straight down, turn in, again, the box, close it off, draw a box, rectangle inside, and then corner to corner. Okay, so now let's draw in the lower leg. So it's gonna be just your regular armor piece. So we're gonna go out, pinch in, close it off, and then dome shape here. Go out more on this side, close it a little bit so, and I'll just add in some lines here for some detail. And we'll just go ahead and continue these two lines here. Okay, so then the other side is gonna be almost the same. Flare out, pinch in, close it, dome shape. Close it. So, and then again, 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's got some straps here, so I'm just gonna draw 1 and 2. Now just continue these lines here, coming down, down. And then lastly, let's see, it's got 2 straps here, so we're just gonna draw 1 and 2. Okay, so now let's go back up and finish up his shirt for the stripes. So we can start up here because there's one right at the this collar area. So it's just gonna be right around there. Gonna come right across, and then we're gonna give it some thickness here. So it's gonna be like that. And it's gonna go under the belt. So we go across, across. Okay, let's draw another one. So come down right around here. That's gonna be one stripe. And I'm gonna continue this here. So it's gonna get a little bit messy here because it's gonna be a lot of stripe lines. Here's one more. And then it's gonna be one more right here at the waist. So if you draw in, you know, too many or too little, that's okay as long as you have some stripes. All right, so I'm gonna start here. One stripe. Another one right here at the armpit. One here, and then for his lower arm, one, and then one more. And then on this side, it's gonna be the same. So one stripe here, just kind of have a slant slightly this way, just slanting toward the body. And here's one, and there's one here already for because of his wristband, his armband. And that is it for the Scoundrel skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.